Beautiful Vermont. It's like the beauty of Vermont in the spring and summer is just phenomenal. It's a Green Mountain. The symmetry back there. Very interesting. Welcome to Alfred Solomon Grassland bird viewing area. It's a beautiful day today. This is a trail that I'm going to be going to right now. No hunting. That's what it looks like here. Let's see what they have here. It's like the Green Mountains Grassland breeding area. The different kind of birds, bobolink, red-tailed hawk, eastern meadow lark, upland sandpiper. This is the winter flux. Snow bunting. Wow, look at this. So you gotta stand here and view, see if you can find anything. They actually have a log book of like where you came from and all that. Let's see. Oops. Nice area. Let's go to the hike. I don't know how big this hike is. There's stuff in the invasive species you gotta prevent. Clean your shoes. It's a hike right now. There's supposed to be one other car here. Oh, wow, there's deer. Deer. He's right there. That's a deer. I'm pretty sure there's bear and coyotes that come at night. Deer's looking at us. It's like trying to identify threats. See, there's a sitting area. There be birds up there. And then there's a sitting area here. Somebody's house. Wait, where'd he go? I think he ran away. Oh, there he is. Man, he's fast. I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the wilderness for a little bit. That's the rest of the trail. They're coming in the camera because they're kind of small, but there are a lot of birds here. Oh, you see just one? Yeah. Different kind of birds that are coming here. Very difficult to see. I think the camera for the phone is kind of small, but they're there. another one. Little tiny ones. Just gonna continue on the trail for now. Look at how beautiful the sky is. There's a nature observer, I think, making photographs. Look at those birds. Nice birds. How you doing today? Got some nice pictures?
Maybe a couple.
How far is the hike up there?
It's not too far. Kind of goes, you can almost see the corner.
Oh, okay.
You can go a little bit further that way, or it kind of goes down to that corner.
I see. And then you come back the same way?
Yeah.
Oh. You taking some nice bird pictures or?
Looking for them, yeah. Some harriers around.
Oh, really?
Yeah, some harriers. There's a bittern down there.
Wow.
Yeah,
I can't see with my, it's tiny camera. It looks like that. This one's really big. Well, you must have a lot of.
They're definitely around.
That's
Use that Merlin Bird ID app.
No.
No.
Oh, there's an app on here.
Yeah. You see?
Find anything nice, just holler. I'll come by. If you hear anything nice. Thank you. All right. It's a nice guy. Really awesome camera. He's taking pictures of birds and stuff. He told me about this app where you could just put the bird pictures. Sorry, the voices, and it'll tell you, what kind of bird it is. So really cool. A lot of people with real interest in wildlife and preservation. It's great. And think about trail this as well. It's like I guess some guy who owned this land kind of donated to the birds and wildlife, and उसके बाद wow, look at that bird, it just flew away. So many birds. Yeah. So yeah, donated it, and he's passed away, but they maintain this land, and birds live here. There's one right here. Two bitty bird. Small birds. All over. And a rabbit. Small tiny rabbit. He ran away. So we're now come from all the way up there to here. There's two trails. I think we're gonna go to this one first. I'll take the grasses. It's like almost 1.5 feet. The sky is very clear. Look at that tree. Green mountains. Grass. It's like things moving inside this. But the thing is, there's no big predators here. I think there might be some bobcats around this area. I don't know how many, but they usually only come out at night. Other than that, might be some bears. Maybe in the mountainous regions and not in the flat regions. But yeah, so other than that, there's very few natural predators. Which look at this. In this already, this guy's put in, like, I don't know if you can see, but bird boxes where I think he feeds the birds. Must have been a really nice guy, Mr. Solomon, who did this, donated this land. Look at that flock of geese. This is a beautiful sight. Yes, they're migratory birds. That's amazing. Wonder where they are off to. Amazing. It's very nice I got to see that. It's quite a scene. Man, I hope I don't know if I'm gonna try this, but look at this. They've actually made a tree house all the way up there. I don't know. Am I gonna try this? I came all the way here. I don't know. Let's see. let's try it. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Jesus. Oh shit. Can't believe I'm doing this. I gotta put off the camera side. I saw that. Deer. You see that deer? I just saw that like run in front of me. That's so cool. It's running. Oh my god. What a sight. Look at this. See? It's pretty far. Pretty damn far. Oh man. What an ingenious idea, man. This is so cool. And that deer is running away far. But yeah, look, I'm a king of the world. Holy shit, this is far, man. Scary. Scary. I made it to the top of the treehouse. This is so cool. Yeah, it's like stairs. It's so cool. It's like a top of the tree, you know. Wow, so exciting. First time doing this. There's like a chair on top of the tree and those stairs. I don't know if there's one there too. Really brilliant idea. Well, you could see the whole wildlife from here. So peaceful. Thank you to this man, whoever donated this land, you know. It's beautiful. The first time in my life I've been part of a treehouse. Honestly, it was such a nice experience, I gotta tell you. It was like, you know, because the bird sounds kind of disappear when you're like walking on ground. They see you when they stop. But like, when you're top there, it was like, you know, you could just hear everything like it's happening in real time. It's kind of getting late. It's almost 7:45, 8. A lot of birds in the street. Beautiful birds. Oh god, there's another deer just ran by me. That was crazy. Another wild deer. Let me see if I can catch him. These guys are really fast, man. Like, really fast. What's that? Oh, that's a rabbit. I was kind of scared what that was because those for a second I thought those ears were like eyes. Looked like an alien or something. That's funny. That's pretty funny. Scared me for a second. Yeah, man, this was a really nice and peaceful hike. If you're a bird lover, it's amazing. Come with your camera. Yeah, one thing I would recommend, that tree you see back there, definitely one of the nice experiences I've had. You know, sitting on top of the tree. It was really very peaceful. You know, I enjoyed that the most. You know, sitting on the top and being able to see all sorts of stuff. You know, so yeah, at least once in your life you can do it. Well, come sit on top of that tree. Amazing idea. But yeah, highly rate this trip. Again, thanks to Mr. Alfred Z. Solomon, friends of the Washington County Grasslands. Thank you very much for the nice hike.